Welcome to the Sanctuary Restaurant here on the Sun Princess. It's located on Deck 8 aft, and you can access this dining room if you are booked into a sanctuary cabin. Come with us as we show you some of the things we had for dinner on some different nights. I started off with the truffle mushroom arancini, and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got the shrimp cocktail.
Okay, this is the truffle and mozzarella and rice ball. That's so good. I cannot tell you how good this is. I would definitely order this again. 10 out of 10.
Let's see what the inside of it looks like.
What you got there?
So it's pasta with olive oil,
Cheese.
garlic, and cheese.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Thank you so much.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Smells good.
Everything you see Robin from Sea Lake Journeys eating in this video is gluten-free.
You know what it reminds me of? Remember that lemon pasta we had?
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good stuff then.
Mm-hmm. Without the lemon.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm.
This is probably the best lasagna I've ever had anywhere.
All right, tell us what you got there.
We got all these mushrooms on top of this steak.
The sanctuary dining room did not require any reservations, and we never had to wait in any lines.
So what are you pouring there?
It's gluten-free gravy. It's really thick, so I don't know how they make it so thick being gluten-free, because usually gluten-free gravy is pretty runny. But it's good.
Okay.
Be sure to let your waiter and restaurant manager know if you have any food allergies or sensitivities. Vicente did a great job making sure that everything Robin from Sea Lake Journeys ate was gluten-free.
You and the cream basil.
Basil and cream.
Okay.
Here comes the tomato.
Got some magic coming right here, y'all. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I can smell it from here too. Look at that.
Whoa.
Thank you. All right. So this is tomato soup.
Yes, please.
Gluten-free tomato soup too, by the way. Oh man,
Yeah.
that's fantastic.
Okay, guys, let's see if this little panko shrimp is as good as he looks. Yummy. It's really awesome. I'd order it again.
The lobster and steak is called the Land and Sea. Here you see my version of it made regular with the gravy. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has no gravy on it, but they are going to bring her gluten-free gravy.
Okay, so Robin Sea Lake Journeys got, what'd you get?
Tortellini soup.
Tortellini soup.
So it's got corn and avocado, red peppers, and broth.
Looks pretty good.
It actually has a vegetable beef flavor to it.
Oh.
The avocado adds to it. The pepper's really good in it. It's really good. I would order this again.
Ooh, awesome. Okay.
Okay, so the other day, Chuck got a Monte Cristo sandwich. Today I got one. So his was, the bread was fried like French toast. Mine is more like a grilled cheese sandwich.
Okay.
It's good.
Is it good? We'll do that again.
You look how interesting yours looks.
Our waiter suggested I try something different, a pork Thai dish. I'd never had this before, and I thought, why not give it a try based on his recommendation? Being on a cruise is one of the best times to try out a new dish, and I did not regret it.
Okay, it's a very unique taste. Unique because of the Thai curry. I've never had it before. It's a very distinct flavor. And it's pretty good. It's not bad at all. I'm glad I got it to try it. I don't know what this what this is. We're gonna try this too. Am I supposed to eat this? Seaweed paper, maybe? Very different. And of course, we got a piece of bok choy down here. We know what that tastes like. So,
I got the mushroom tortilla soup. It's kind of like a specialty dining soup dish we got here. Boy, was it good.
it looks like you got a salad.
I did. I got the greens, gourmet greens.
Gourmet greens. Sorry. Looks tasty. Wow. That's pretty good.
Is it?
So, yeah. It's thick, like a similar taste to a, what's that soup we have? Got potatoes and beef in it and vegetables.
Beef stew?
Yeah. Very similar to a beef stew. They call it a tortilla with, tortilla soup with mushrooms. Filet mignon rossini. That's what I've got here tonight with asparagus and mushrooms. And let's see what Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has.
So I have gluten-free pasta, gluten-free Alfredo sauce, and chicken breast.
That looks really good.
It does. It looks really good.
Wow. It's okay.
So gluten-free Alfredo sauce is usually not as thick as regular Alfredo sauce, but this is a pretty thick sauce.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very good. He did apologize to me that it didn't have fettuccine noodles. It was spaghetti noodles, but I don't care. It tastes good. It's very good.
You doing that again?
Mm-hmm. Yep. All right, Chet from Sea Lake Journeys, what you got there?
I got myself my, I forgot what I ordered now.
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon rossellini.
With what?
With, this is apparently goose liver,
That's goose liver and filet mignon.
asparagus, mushrooms, potatoes, and a tomato.
All right, taste that goose liver.
I'm going to taste the goose liver.
Let me see it before you put it in. Turn it over so you can see inside. Okay? Does it smell it?
I'm not eating that. No. No
Let
liver.
me smell it. Let me smell it. I'm going to smell the goose liver.
There are some things, however, that even I am not going to give a try.
He's not even going to try it.
Just try it first. It's the best. It's not very expensive, this one.
The smell made my stomach go. I'm like, Meat's good.
The filet mignon is good.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to try the goose.
I'm not trying it.
How many of you want to see Chet try the goose?
No, Howard. Okay, so we just finished what we've been eating here on Friday night, our last day on the ship, and it just came to our realization that we have not eaten dessert all week. So I'm going to show you the dessert menu now.
So I decided to go with the chocolate cake with the raspberry drizzle, the caramel popcorn, and the whipped cream, because I know that chocolate cake is going to go good with some port wine that we're going to order with it. And what did Robin from Sea Lake Journeys get? I don't know. She's still trying to explain to me what it is I have on my plate, because I didn't really know. She had to tell me. Having a chocolate dessert with port wine is like having a turbocharged chocolate dessert.
There's chocolates in it.
I have chocolate mousse. Gluten-free chocolate mousse.
Oh, let's see if it's any good. Try it.
So it's got shavings of chocolate on it. The mousse is milk chocolate, but the chocolate on top, the shavings are dark chocolate. So you got the dark chocolate bitter and the milk chocolate sweet.
What about that?
Really good.
So I want to try this neat chocolate. I hope it tastes as good as it looks like it's going to. Wow. That is so rich. This is what I expect something like this to taste like. Very chocolate, very rich. I would order this again. And I don't even usually like cake.
Yeah, try it with the pork wine.
Pork wine, yes. Of course, the pork wine is going to make any chocolate a little bit better. That chocolate just melts and slides down like a velvety, wonderful thing.
Let me taste it.
Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is going to try the gluten-free chocolate mousse with the port wine.
Port wine by itself probably would not taste near as good as it does with the chocolate. Once you put the chocolate in your mouth with the port wine, the chocolate literally melts in your mouth, and the port wine mixes with it, and it is like an explosion in your mouth. It's so good.
Special thanks to Tom and Terry from TNT's Adventures to Sea.
Tell us about port wine.
Who taught us about port wine, right?
Thanks for joining us here for a few dinners at the Sanctuary Dining Room on the Sun Princess. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.